What's good, y'all? It's the Maverick, and I'm back with another episode of Shoe Talk. And today we have a banger. As you can tell, we have the Caitlin Clark collab, the Kobe Protro 6 Caitlin Clark shoes. All right, before we get into the review, make sure y'all go watch that Taxi 12 video. We also have some other videos out that we just dropped, so make sure y'all go watch those videos and run the views up. We also have the Black Cat 4 video coming up soon, so be on the lookout for that. Make sure y'all turn on those notifications, hit the bell on the page, and you'll know when we drop videos. If your grandma, your mama, your cousins, your children like sneakers, they big sneakerheads, share our page with them, share with your friends, post it on Instagram. All of our content is kid friendly. If you haven't noticed, I do not curse in these videos. I don't say anything vulgar or explicit. So these are kid friendly, so you can share these videos with your whole family. If you post us on Instagram and tag us, we can shout you out on our page and you know, have some people come follow you. So let's get into the review. All right, this is the box. Black Kobe box with the snake print all over the box. Has a gold signature at the top. The size tag reads light armory blue and white. I'm a little country, so hopefully I'm saying that right. Kobe logo and Nike Air on it. They come wrapped in this black paper with that same design from the box. They're wrapped twice. Make sure y'all Kobe's have all these details. You are only able to buy these shoes at Dick's Sporting Goods, Foot Locker, and then the Sneakers app. So your best chance at getting them was the Sneakers app. But we got these at Dick's Sporting Goods. So this is how they look. As you can see, we have that light blue color on the shoe, and then we have that print all over the shoe. I like the print. She's known for wearing a lot of Kobe's, so this is a great collab. And then we have this blue swoosh on each side. I'm waiting on that Bruce Lee collab for sure. This is what the tongue looks like. These are the laces. This is the back of it. Got the Kobe signature on the back. Then this is the bottom. I believe she had a drop in June, so this will be her second drop. Like I said, these did come out today, November 12th. So these sold out instantly. They're reselling for a lot. I know it's about 300 to 400, close to 400. So it might be kind of hard to get these for retail for sure. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's impossible to get them for retail now. So if you really like these shoes, you definitely gonna have to pay the price. But again, these dropped November 12th. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think about her Kobe collabs. And what would y'all like to see from her in the future in terms of shoe design. All right, y'all, this pretty much wraps up the review. But on the next episode of Shoe Talk, we have the Black Cat 4s. So make sure y'all tune in for this shoe. That's weird. All right, y'all, peace.
Beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original.